So I've been waiting to get these. Don't know how old they are, but this one's an L25. And I think they just make a really cool statement piece. So just as a piece of decoration for the office is probably what I'm gonna end up doing with it. But I've been super curious on what's actually inside these, because I can't actually find anybody with a solid answer other than the L25 should mean something. So let's see what we get. Oh, nice. We got Phantasmal Flames, Journey Together, a couple stickers, and Surging Sparks. All right. Which one should we open? Let's open Phantasmal Flames.